Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Welcome to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing something totally different. This officially marks the first episode of Invite Me to Your Kitchen, and yeah, I'm gonna be inviting you guys to my kitchen to show you a simple, easy way to make Swahili Biryani at home. So yeah guys, keep on watching. So these are the ingredients that you'll need to make your biryani. So you definitely need meat. You can use any meat of your choice. It can be chicken, beef, but in my case I'll be using mbuzi. You also need potatoes, and after peeling them, just leave them in full, don't slice them up. You'll also need peeled tomatoes or blended like what I have here. You'll also need carrots, some coriander. You'll also need a whole mango. This one you can choose isikue imeiva sana, ikue mbichi because we'll be using it to make our pili. You'll also need some garlic and ginger in generous amount, guys. You'll need some onions, and guys, try chopping them in big size. And you'll need them in plenty. You'll need some sliced up lemons, natural yogurt or mala. I usually see a lot of people using maziwa mala, of which it's okay, but personally I don't know why, I just prefer yogurt. And of course for the spices you'll need salt, turmeric, black pepper, pilau masala, or any other masala that you use to make your spicy foods. You'll also need paprika. This is optional, guys, you don't have to do it. I just love paprika. I love the taste of paprika in my food. Something else you'll need is tomato paste, and don't forget some vinegar as well. Okay, so we're gonna start off by preparing the necessary ingredients to marinate our biryani, or if you like to call it rojo. And I'll start off by blending ginger, garlic, and some lemon juice together. I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice. Then I'm adding some salt, and then you're good to blend. Blend for about 45 seconds to a minute. You can always add some water if the blending isn't so smooth. And this is how your end product should look like. It should be like a paste. Scoop about 2 tablespoons and place it aside. This will be used to make your pili. Then add the rest to your meat. Go ahead and add blended tomatoes. Tomatoes really help with thickening the soup or the rojo or the biryani. Yeah. Go ahead and add your spices. Add your tomato paste as well. And then the fun part, add natural yogurt. I used both boxes. That was about 500 grams each, because I love my biryani ikiwa na uchachu. And I think, guys, the main purpose of yogurt is it acts as a meat tenderizer. Correct me if I'm wrong. Go ahead and mix everything together. I love the aroma that comes from mixing up the yogurt with the rest of the ingredients. Make sure to stir for about 3 minutes, guys, because the yogurt is thick and you need all your spices to mix up well. Cover your mixture with a cling film, and this should be ready for marinating. Place it in the fridge for 2 hours. So the next step, we're gonna be working on our potatoes. Put some oil in a karai to heat it up. Then add some turmeric or food color to your potatoes. Mix them well. And also, guys, make sure that your potatoes are somehow wet, because as you can see mine were not, so I had to add a little bit of water. Ndio rangi shike vizuri, man. Deep fry the potatoes for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are somehow crunchy on the outside, and you're good to go. The next step is now to prepare your pili. So slice your mango, and in the blender we already have tomatoes. Add the mango and some carrots. This is optional, guys, you don't have to add carrots. Then go ahead and add the garlic and ginger paste that we had placed aside. Add some onions, add some diluted vinegar, then blend. Remember guys, if you have raw pilipili, you can always blend them together. For my case, I forgot to buy the pilipilis, so I'll be using black pepper and akavanga chili oil. Pour the mixture into your sufuria. Add a few drops of akabanga chili oil. Guys, you need to be careful with this chili because it is very concentrated. Then go ahead and add your squeezed lemon juice and place your pilipili to boil. By now your potatoes should be ready. When done removing them from the oil, add your ringed onions to the oil and fry them till they're golden brown. This is how they should look like when ready. And don't forget to keep stirring your pilipili until it's thick and nice. So guys, it's 2 hours later and our mixture has been marinating for 2 hours. We're gonna stir it one more time, then place it to boil for 1 good hour. Keep stirring until your rojo comes to boil. After 50 minutes, you can add the onions that we fried aside and the potatoes. I didn't see the need of showing you guys how to make rice because personally I just did boiled rice. You can go extra by frying your rice, but this was enough for me. This is how things should look like when ready. And that was it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Until next time, bon appetit!